Hi students, welcome back to the All4 e-learning YouTube classes. Now already we have learned about yesterday. On yesterday we learned about position vector and displacement vector also. So yesterday I gave one problem depend upon the position vector. So today also I will give one problem based on this position vector. Now listen all of you. Now find a unit vector of a particle is at a point 7, 5, 6 in space. That means we have to find the unit vector of a particle. Particle means unit vector means given position vector. This is the coordinates of the given particle which is in space. That means we have to find the unit vector of a particle is at a point given already in space. That means according to this point means the concept of position vector which is equal to already we know on yesterday. R bar is equal, let us say, xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So this is the expression for the position vector which is in 3 dimension. Now as per the condition, okay, I have to draw the diagram about the position vector again. This is x axis, y axis, z axis. Now listen all of you, this is nothing but the origin. Now what I am giving? I am giving the position of particle, let us say p. It can be taken as 7, 5, 6. 7, 5, 6, which means, listen all of you. So this is the position vector r bar. Now as per this condition, what is the x coordinate of this one? This is x. What is this y coordinate here? This is y. And what about the z coordinate? Just like z is z. This z coordinate which is along z axis, because the z axis which is perpendicular to the plane of the board. That's why here I am taking in this way. Now the coordinates are here. X is equal to how much? As per the given point, coordinates 7, and y is equal to 5, and z is equal to 6 as per the given point. That means what is the position vector which is converted into in terms of these values? Yes, 7i cap plus 5j cap plus 6 into k cap. So this is the expression for the position vector of particle which is given in space. Okay. Now what is the magnitude of this particle here? Under root of 7 square. As per the magnitude of position vector, it is nothing but under root of coefficient of I coefficient square plus j coefficient square plus k coefficient square. That means 7 square plus 5 square plus 6 square. That is equal to how much it is? 7 square means 49, 5 square means 25, and this is 36. Okay, then how much this value? 49 plus 25 means this is nothing but under root of, again 49 plus 29 means this is nothing but 74. 74 plus this one is 110 nearly. So this is the magnitude of this vector, means position vector of the particle. Now what is the method of finding the unit vector here? Let us say r cap is equal to r bar by magnitude of r bar. So that is equal to how much? What is the actual position vector? 7i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap by unit vector is root of 110. Root of 110. So this is the unit vector of the given particle which is given at particular point in space. That means 7, 5, 6. So this is the actual method. We have to find the position vector of the given particle and magnitude and this unit vector. Okay. So this is the actual method. In any time they are asking in this way means first we have to find this position of the particle. Okay. As per the question we have to mention it. Now as per this position coordinates we should write about the expression for the position of the particle, after that magnitude, after that as per the definition of unit vector. r cap is equal to r bar by magnitude of r bar. So this is okay. In the same way, yesterday I am explained the displacement vector also. So what is the meant by displacement vector? Suppose a particle which is given in space, that means that particle which is moving from one point to another point. Okay, displacement vector is equal to, again I explained, let us say again I am taking the three-dimensional coordinate system like a rectangle coordinate system, x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Now listen carefully, this is nothing but the origin. Now what I am taking is, initially the particle is at point P with the position vector is nothing but r1 bar, and the particle which is moving to another point Q in the space which is having the position vector, let us say r2 bar. Now the particle which is moving from point P to point Q. So this is already explained in yesterday class. Again I am telling you. Now displacement vector is equal to how much? Final position vector minus initial position vector. Final position vector minus initial position vector. Now what is the coordinates of this point P? Let us, it can be taken as sometimes x1, y1, z1. What are the coordinates of this point Q? Yes, x2, y2 comma z2. So these are the position vectors, means listen all of you. So these are the particles which is moving from one point to another point in space, means this point P having coordinates how much? x1, y1, z1, and this coordinates of point Q in the space is nothing but x2, y2, z2. Now here what is the displacement? Displacement is nothing but the shortest distance from initial to final point. Initial to final point. Now that's why here I am taking S bar is equal to, as per the definition, R2 bar minus R1 bar. So it can be written as, so listen carefully, based on this concept I give one or two problems based about this concept. Now R2 bar minus R1 bar means, what is the formula? As per the concept, R1 bar is equal to how much? As per the concept of position vector of particle when it is at point P, is R1 bar is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 into k cap. Now what about the expression for the position vector R2? Means the particle if it is at point Q, then what is the second particle position? x2 I cap plus y2 into j cap plus z2 into k cap. So these are nothing but the two positions of the particle, nothing but P and Q, which are given in space. Like now substitute these values in this expression, then you got the displacement of the particle. Now here I am substituting these values, x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap, means subtraction of these two position vectors minus, what is the means first one, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 into k cap. Now by subtraction of first position vector from the second position vector, then you got the displacement of this particle according to the concept. Now here I cap there, this is also I cap, means we have to subtract x1 from x2, means by the common of I, means x2 minus x1 into I cap plus again by common of j, what is the expression here? Yes, y2 minus y1 into j cap, at the same time plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. Therefore what is the displacement vector finally you got? S bar is equal to, what is the formula here? x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus again z2 minus z1 into k cap. So these are the actual expression to represent the displacement vector which is given in space. That means the particle, if it moves from P to Q, then the shortest distance from P to Q is nothing but S bar is equal to x2 minus x1 into I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. So this is the actual expression of displacement vector. Okay, now this is already yesterday completed, but according to the situation I am giving 2 or 3 models based on this displacement vector. Now listen all of you. After getting the displacement vector, what is its magnitude and what is the method of finding the unit vector of this displacement vector? Now listen all of you. What is the displacement magnitude here? Root over I coefficient square, means how much it is? x2 minus x1 whole square. Now next one, j coefficient square, plus how much it is? y2 minus y1 whole square. Next third one is plus z2 minus z1 into whole square. So this is nothing but the magnitude of displacement vector, which gives the distance. Magnitude of displacement nothing but distance, because displacement is a vector, distance is a scalar. Okay, now listen all of you. Then what is the method of finding the unit vector of displacement vector? S cap, which is equal to s bar by magnitude of s bar, s bar by magnitude of s bar. This is the expression for the generalized unit vector for any physical quantity. That is equal to how much it is? You know this. S bar means this one, means x2 minus x1 into s I cap plus y2 minus y1 into j cap plus z2 minus z1 into k cap. So this is the total vector by its magnitude is nothing but this one only, root of this value. Root of how much it is? x2 minus x1 whole square plus j coefficient square nothing but y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So this is the expression for unit vector of given displacement vector. Okay, this is the generalized expression for the unit vector of given displacement vector. Now based on this condition, I am giving one or two models based on this displacement vector. Now listen carefully all of you. So for example, I am taking a particle which is moving from one point to another point in space. So in order to find the displacement means I have to take 2 points which is taken in space. Now listen carefully. Here I am taking, this is again rectangular coordinate system to represent the space of the space. Let us say initial the point is at a point P, particle is at a point P with the position vector is, let us say, r1 bar, and this particle which is moving from this point P to another point Q again, which is having position vector nothing but r2 bar. Now this particle which is moving from P to Q again. So here what I am giving the coordinates, let us say it can be taken as, let us say 1 3 comma 5. So this particle Q nothing but I am taking in this way 2 comma 4 comma 6. So this is also meters. Here I am giving the coordinates in terms of meters only. So this is the problem I am giving. That means if the particle which is moving from a point P to another point Q, what is the coordinates of P? 1 comma 3 comma 5 which is in space, and what is the coordinates of Q here? 2 comma 4 comma 6. Now from this I have to find the displacement of this particle s bar. Displacement of the particle s bar. Now listen carefully. As per the condition, now what I am doing is, problem is, if a particle is moving from a point P, what is the coordinates of P here? 1 comma 3 comma 5 meters to the another point Q, 2 comma 4 comma 6 meters in space. Then find displacement vector s bar and magnitude of displacement vector nothing but distance, and I have to find the value of s cap also. Means here I have to find the value of displacement vector, magnitude of displacement nothing but distance, and unit vector also. Now what is the solution here? According to the concept, if the particle is at a point P, means what are the coordinates here? According to the definition of position vector, If any point having 3 coordinates like 3-dimensional vector, then what is the value here? 1 into I cap, nothing but I cap, plus again 3 into j cap, next one 5 into k cap. It is in the form of x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap meters. This is the position vector. Now what is the second position vector here? As per the concept, again 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap meter. So these are the expressions for the position vectors r1 bar and r2 bar. Okay. Now what is the displacement vector according to the diagram? Displacement is nothing but this is r1, this is r2 means what is the definition of displacement? R2 bar minus r1 bar. R2 bar minus r1 bar. Now what I am finding here, as per the condition of displacement vector s bar is equal to r2 bar minus r1 bar. R2 bar minus r1 bar. Now by subtracting these two, here what I am substituting here, 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap minus, here what I am taking is r1 bar means I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap. Now by subtracting these two, how much you will get? 2 minus 1 means I cap. Here 4 minus 3 means again j cap, again plus 6k cap minus 5k cap. This is also k cap. So this is the expression for displacement vector s bar. So displacement vector s bar is equal to what I am getting here? I cap plus j cap plus k cap meter. Then what is the displacement of this? Magnitude of displacement is equal to nothing but distance, that is equal to how much it is? Root of I coefficient square, nothing but 1 square plus 1 square, again j coefficient 1 square, that means root 3 meters. So this is nothing but the magnitude of displacement. Then what is the unit vector here? S cap is equal to, S cap is equal to what is the definition? As per the unit vector definition, vector by magnitude of this vector. That means how much it is? Vector is nothing but here I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3. So this is the expression for displacement vector of the particle. Okay. So for this problem, if a particle which is moving from a point P, what is the coordinates of P here? 1, 3, 5 meters to another point Q, 2, 4, 6 meters in space. Then we have to find the expression for displacement vector, magnitude of displacement and unit vector for displacement. So in order to find this one, first I have to find the value of r1 bar according to the definition of r1 bar position vector and r2 bar and displacement vector s bar is equal to r2 bar minus r1 bar. Then finally what I am getting here, s bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. I cap plus j cap plus k cap meter. Then magnitude of displacement, how much it is? Root of I coefficient square plus j coefficient square plus k coefficient square, nothing but root 3 meter. So magnitude of displacement nothing but distance. What is this one? It is equivalent to distance traveled by the particle. Okay. Now what is the expression, general expression for unit vector for displacement? S cap is equal to s bar by magnitude of s bar. That means I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3. So this is the expression for displacement vector. Now in the same method I have to give one problem. I am giving different problems, means different coordinates. Okay, here I am giving different points. In the same method we have to solve. Okay, for example, I am taking 2 points again. This is A, this is nothing but B in space. Now what are the coordinates of these points? A and B. Here nothing but A means, let us it can be taken as 2, 4, 6 meters. This is nothing but how much it is? Let us 3, 5, 7 meters. Okay, I am taking different coordinates. Now as per the condition from figure, find the expression for displacement vector comma distance and also find its unit vector. So this is the actual question. Sometimes they are giving find the displacement vector, and sometimes they are giving in this way find the distance of the given position vector, and also sometimes they are asking unit vector also, unit vector for given displacement vector. Now how to solve this one again? Yeah, according to the concept of position vector, what is the position of the first particle when it is at point A? Yes, x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap means 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 6k cap meter. Now in this case, what is the R2 bar here? As per the condition of second position vector, 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 7k cap meter. Okay. Now what is the displacement vector here? S bar is equal to R2 bar minus R1 bar. So how much it is? Again 3i cap minus 2i cap, I cap, 5j cap minus 4j cap, again j cap, again k cap, same thing. Okay, that means what is the magnitude of displacement? Again root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is it is also same thing. Therefore S cap is equal to how much? S bar by magnitude of S bar. That means how much it is? I cap plus j cap plus k cap by root 3. So you have to take any coordinates, we have to solve in this method only. Okay, this is the concept of position vector and displacement vector clearly. Okay, right. I am explaining the resolution of vector, how to resolve the vector. Resolution of a vector in 2 dimension. 2D means 2 dimension, means in a plane. Suppose resolution means splitting of a vector in 2D. So listen carefully, this is very simple thing. Suppose let us say x-axis, this is y-axis. Here what I am taking here, suppose the vector, this is nothing but vector, any vector we have to take. This can be, let us say, it can be taken as a bar, which is making an angle theta with x-axis, let us say. So suppose this vector a bar, which is having a magnitude a, which makes an angle theta with x-axis, means it has actually two components. So as per our mathematics knowledge, suppose if I am drawing a vertical projection on x-axis, then it forms a right angle triangle. Is it okay? Now this horizontal components can be denoted by, let us say, x here. This vertical component can be denoted by, let us say, ay. Suppose if I am drawing in this way, ay, this is also ay. Okay. Now listen carefully. So from this right angle triangle, what is the components of ax and ay? From this diagram, what is the value of ax and ay? So please tell me from figure. Okay, from figure, what about the value of cos theta here? Cos theta is equal to, what is the value? Adjacent side by hypotenuse, which means ax by a. That means ax is equal to how much? A cos theta. A cos theta. In the same way, what about the value of sin theta? Sin theta is equal to ay by a. Ay by a. That means ay is equal to how much? A into sin theta. So these are the two components which is along x-axis, and one is, some other one is y-axis. Means what are the values of ax here? A cos theta. This is how much here? A sin theta. A sin theta. Okay, listen all of you. Then what are the coordinates of this vector? Actually a bar means, here what are the, suppose if I am taking a point, let us say this is O, this is, let us say, it can be taken as somewhat P. means here OP vector is nothing but a bar. Now listen all of you, what are the coordinates of P here? Let us say ax comma ay, ax comma ay. If you know the values of x coordinate and y coordinate, then what is the expression for position vector here? Yeah, therefore actual position vector r bar is equal to, r bar means here nothing but a bar. That means here what I am writing, OP bar is equal to what I am writing here, OP bar is equal is the combination of, means x coordinate into I cap plus, as per the vector addition, again y coordinate into j cap. Here whatever the value of ax here, as per this, yes, a cos theta into I cap plus a sin theta into j cap. So this is OP bar nothing but here a bar, or sometimes it can be taken as r bar also. Okay, any physical quantity you have to take, no problem. So listen all of you, this a bar, suppose this a bar vector which makes an angle theta with horizontal, means it can be resolved into actual two components. Resolved means splitting, divided into two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. Here ay means here also ay, both are same. Here x means this is also x. Okay, now therefore OP bar is equal to, what is the value here, ax I cap plus ay j cap. Actually it is the concept one, means this is derived from the concept of position vector. That means therefore OP bar means here a bar is equal to how much it is, a cos theta into I cap and a sin theta into j cap in place of ax and ay from this mathematics. Okay, so this is the method to obtain a vector by taking the concept is resolution of vectors. Resolution of vectors in two dimension. What is the two dimension here? This vector which I am taking in xy plane only. In the same way, sometimes you are taking xz plane, sometimes you are taking and yz plane also, same thing. Therefore if you got the vector, then what is the magnitude of this vector here? Means the actual vector is a bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay into j cap. Then magnitude of a bar is equal to under root of ax square plus ay square. So by substituting the values of this one, by substituting of values of ax and ay from these values, here ax means a cos theta, ay means a sin theta, you got the value of a only. Okay, now what is the angle made by this vector with x-axis? Means it can be denoted by, let us say, tan theta. The direction of vector tan theta is equal to how much? Means tan theta is equal to, according to this right angle triangle, opposite side by adjacent side, means y component of vector by x component of vector. Then what is the angle made by the any vector in two dimension? Theta is equal to tan inverse ay by ax. So this is nothing but sometimes y component by x component of vector. So this is the method to find the angle made by the vector. Okay, suppose the unit vector for this one, a bar, a cap is equal to a bar by magnitude of a bar. Here a bar means what is the expression here, ax I cap plus ay into j cap by under root of ax square plus ay square. So this is the generalized method to find the unit vector for given vector a bar. So this is the total method, means resolution of vector in 2D. Means resolution means division of a vector into two components. One is x component along x axis, another one is y component along y axis. Okay, now so I am giving one vector, then we have to find the total vector, means components of vector. For example, let us say here I am taking, this is xy plane again, For example, this is a vector which makes an angle, let us say 37 degrees with x-axis. 37 degrees with x-axis, and this vector having magnitude 5 meters. Okay, this is nothing but OA. Here OA. Then what are the components of this vector? Please tell me. It has two components. Let us, it can be taken as OA means here I am taking, let us say, magnitude of r bar is nothing but 5. Then what are the components here? Let us say Rx, and this is nothing but Ry. Suppose this OA bar vector can be treated as r bar. Then what is the components of this one? Rx and Ry. Rx means x component, Ry means y component. As per the condition, Rx is equal to what is the value? According to the concept of resolution of vectors, Rx is equal to r cos theta. Again, Ry is equal to r into sin theta. Now, what about these values here? Rx is equal to r means here 5 I am giving, cos 37. At the same time, Ry also how much it is? 5 into sin 37. So, if you know the values of cos and sin 37, then you got the values of components of given vector. Now, but here we know already as per trigonometry, tan 37 is equal to 3 by 4. Tan 37 is equal to 3 by 4. For example, from this right angle triangle 37 degrees, let us say this is 3, this is 4, this is nothing but 5, we know already. Now from this data, what about the value of sin 37 here? From this diagram, sin 37 is equal to how much? 3 by 5, and cos 37 is equal to how much? 4 by 5. Now from this data, we have to substitute in this expression. Therefore, whatever the value of Rx is equal to how much? 5 into cos 37 means 4 by 5. 5 cancel, that is equal to 4 meters. Again, whatever the value of Ry? 5 into sin 37. Sin 37 means 3 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, that is equal to 3 meter. If you got the horizontal component and vertical component of given vector, then what is the actual expression for vector? R bar is equal to Rx I cap plus Ry into j cap. Rx into I cap plus Ry into j cap. What is the value of Rx here? 4I cap plus, what is the value of Ry here? 3 into j cap meters. So this is the actual position vector. Now by taking this magnitude of this vector, how much it is? Root of 4 square plus 3 square. Is it how much? 5 only. 5 meters. That is given in diagram only. Okay. Now we have to find the value of this one also. Tan theta. For example, if it can be taken as theta, we have to observe, is it 37 or not? Means y component Ry by Rx as per our concept 3 by 4. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. Whatever the value, theta is equal to 37 degrees. This is also one method. Okay, that is. So this is the concept of resolution of vectors. Right. Thank you.